Why you should take watermelon seeds and boil them. The results will shock you. We all love this refreshing, delicious and cleansing fruit, but nobody likes the watermelon seeds. We all throw them away. The watermelon seeds are usually considered as trash, and just a few people like to eat them. But when I tell you that these seeds are loaded with health benefits, I don't think that you will throw them again. First, you should know that the watermelon seeds are extremely effective and beneficial for improving the digestive system. It's because the watermelon seeds are just going through the digestive tract and they are improving the digestion process, which means that the other health benefits of the watermelon seeds are unused. Well, here comes the good part. If you want to use the health benefits from the watermelon seeds and their healing power, first you need to cook, roast or ground them. The watermelon seeds are loaded with many health nutrients such as fiber, which is extremely important for proper digestion, and it's extremely useful and effective in treating and healing intestinal parasites, inflammations and jaundice. You should also know that the watermelon seeds are also extremely useful as a diuretic. This is why the medical experts highly recommend this powerful homemade watermelon seed tea for all patients who are suffering from urinary tract problems, and it's also highly recommended for eliminating kidney stones. The watermelon seeds also contain high amounts of the citrulline compound, which is an organic complex with many antioxidant properties. It's widening your blood vessels and help them work faster and better. This means that this compound is extremely useful in treating many health problems such as treating high blood pressure, angina pectoris and atherosclerosis. This recipe is very simple and easy to make. You just have to follow the simple instructions. Here's what you need to do. Homemade watermelon seed tea recipe. First you need to crush and ground 4 tablespoons fresh watermelon seeds. Then you need to boil the watermelon seeds in 2 liters of water for 15 minutes. Note, you need to use this mixture for the next 2 days and take 1 day break. You need to repeat this treatment for the next few weeks. Drink this watermelon seed tea for 2 days and then take 1 day break. We highly recommend that you should get enough watermelon seeds through the summer, because we all know that watermelons are seasoned fruit and you can't get them anytime you want. Or even if you do, they are too expensive. The medical experts say that the watermelon seeds are extremely useful for many things, such as improve the function of the heart, improve the muscle cells in the human body, boost your memory, improve your concentration, etc. You should also know that watermelon seeds are also loaded with other healthy nutrients such as iron, magnesium, vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, antioxidants, calcium, manganese, niacin, etc. You should definitely try this homemade watermelon seed tea.